Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming to spend some time with your girl. So today I got a quick DIY video for you guys. I wanted to make an affordable wall mirrors. As you know, mirrors can be really expensive, and so I just wanted an affordable way out to get a cute signature piece for my room. So I used some holographic door mirrors by Mainstays. So cute. They were about $6.47, so rounding it up to about $7 per mirror, and I got 5 mirrors. However, I only used 4 mirrors in this video. So right now I'm just removing the tags off of the mirrors because I'm gonna get ready to prep them so that we could hang them. You don't need much tools for this type of DIY project. So you'll just need the 49-inch door mirrors from Walmart. That's where I got mine from. And some command strips, but I'll leave everything that I use in the description box below. And y'all, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. So right now I am turning the mirrors around because I'm getting ready to prep them for the command strips so that we can get it together. Okay. All right, so I worked with these mirrors in the past, and right now I'm just scraping the back of it to kind of reveal the cardboard piece because to me it just sticks better to the command strips. And these are the type of command strips that I use. Again, I'll leave everything in the description box below. All right, so always remove one side only. Don't remove both sides because typically there's like dirt and all types of stuff that would stick to the other end and make it less sticky, and so it just messes with the adhesive. But of course, do remove it when you are ready to apply it to the wall. Make sure you tap the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. I will be doing a bedroom makeover, so stay tuned.